I'm Blacksmith Jordan Goodwin, and I'm crazy about handwork, hand tools, and fine craftsmanship. I've partnered with my filmmaker friend Bo Schultz to highlight skilled craftsmen, document my own projects, and to help and inspire folks to work with their hands. We both hate seductive advertising that distracts and robs our attention, so we won't be using sponsorships or annoying ads. Instead, we are relying on direct support from our audience through Patreon. We invite you to join us in this venture to celebrate enduring craftsmanship, preserve valuable history, and build a noble future.